All right, in the last lecture, we saw that this was the modified, so to speak, data frame that is used for Modbus TCP/IP communication. So we have the various components of it, and what I want to do in this lecture is just give you a few terms that you need to be familiar with if you're going through documentation on this sort of thing, and you're sort of, let's say, going through Modbus documentation for a particular device. They may refer to some terms that I think you should know. All right, so let's look at the top here. You can see that what they call the function code on 8-bit data byte is called the protocol data unit, or PDU. And then the transaction identifier, starting there all the way down to the unit ID, is called the Modbus application protocol header, or MBAP header. All right, so there's the MBAP header and the protocol data unit. Okay, next, the entire frame here is also known as the Modbus TCP/IP application data unit, or ADU, Modbus TCP/IP ADU. So we have the PDU, or protocol data unit, the Modbus application protocol MBAP header, and then we have the application data unit, which is the entire thing. So just remember these terms and have them at the back of your head. All right, now let's look at the various sizes of the parts of this data frame here. The transaction identifier is 2 bytes, the protocol identifier 2 bytes, the length field is 2 bytes, the unit ID is 1 byte, the function code, of course, is 1 byte because the function code is 1 byte in the standard Modbus data frame. And of course, the data byte area could be it could be like 4 bytes or 8 bytes or 6, any amount of bytes really, up to a limit, especially in the response frame when it's returning data. It depends on how much data was asked for. All right, so those are the terms I want you to be familiar with, and those are the sizes of the various parts of this Modbus TCP/IP frame. Okay.